Don't have it be a mini sales pitch. Don't have it have RFPs. Don't have it have pricing. Don't have it have a special in it, because now we're in the sales box. Just send a link, right? Here's 3 things that we do for CFOs. Blah, 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 blah. Here's my mobile number. Thanks for taking my call, right? Thanks for taking my call today. Maybe even have your email be a raise my hand email. I just wanted to thank you for taking my call. I just want to raise my hand, let you know we're out here. We're the leading company that does consulting with North American companies moving to Japan. My mobile, feel free to reach out to me anytime if you need a second opinion or you just want to bounce an idea off of somebody. I'm here 100%. My mobile 720-660-3202. What a dynamite email, right? That should be the email. Short, sweet, compressed, no attachments, no graphics, no sales pitch in the title of that email. Maybe just have the title be Matt Easton 720-660-3202 mobile, right? Or Matt Easton, Easton University, and my phone. Just make it not a sales email. All I want to do with that first one is to establish a connection with Ellis. And now when I call Ellis back, we're friends. I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you work in sales and you absolutely positively have to double or triple the amount of money you're making in order to truly enjoy your life, click the link here. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching in the world. Click the link here. Check it out. You're going to see we'll give you access to an on-demand learning portal that's going to give you video coaching with me on everything you need to know to double or triple your income, or even more. Everything from prospecting to closing to handling objections and complaints to building your personal network and self-confidence. But it doesn't stop there. Click the link here. You're going to see that when you get a membership to Easton University, you're also going to have the ability to do live coaching with me twice a week. You can ask me any questions. We can work through anything you're struggling with. I will be there with you every step of the way to help you double your income in sales right now. Click the link now. You're going to see we've helped thousands of people just like you, and we have the video testimonials from them to prove it. Easton University is more than a learning portal. It's more than live coaching with me. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it. Click the link now. I'll see you at Easton University.